seven wonders, the Victoria Falls. Zimbabwe is a beautiful small country in the southern parts of Africa. We are proud, we have one of the seven wonders, the Victoria Falls. Southern part of Africa. Hi, hiya, 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 kerebanto korogade, koroga bondara bandea, koroga kokorogande, koroga kokorogande, koroga kokorogande, koroga kokoro. I am in Zimbabwe. We have this famous song which we used to sing when we were young. Like Amina Kadea, Amina Kadea, Amina one shot, P.O. Box, P.O. Box, Marandera, Kumpepe, Marandera, Pepe, Amina one shamsa, P.O. Box, P.O. Box. Southern parts of Africa. Zimbabwe, I'm Zimbabwe. Home my home. Lamba munyabiale. Who is he? Best one.